The letter N. N is for nature. I'm going on a nature walk with my sister, my mom, and my friend. We want to see what happens in nature at night. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Was that an owl?
Yeah, owls are nocturnal, which means they sleep during the day and are awake at night. Lots of animals are nocturnal, like foxes, raccoons, bats, toads, and some insects.
Maybe we'll see some of them tonight.
Yeah, maybe we will.
I think I saw something move here.
It's a toad.
It's hopping away. I just saw a bat up there. Oh, yeah, it's right there. See? Oh, yeah, there.
Yeah, they're out catching bugs for their nighttime meal.
The moon is out. It's so bright. Is that a flower?
Those are morning glories. They bloom each morning, but they close at night.
Look at that spider. Fireflies. There's something moving in the weeds. Maybe it's a raccoon or a fox. Oh, it's just like Cat Cindy. Cats are nocturnal too. Come on, Cindy, it's time to go inside. The letter N. N is for nature.